It's me.
And me.
Today I'm going to unboxing some accessories for my new drill machine. Oh my goodness, look. It's so cute. Oh my goodness. It's full with a lot of awesome things. Okay, well, this is a easier unboxing because I see everything, but I want to touch them. Wait. Nice. It's yours. Here we have an instruction how and for why you can use things. All well, it's not blah 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 because if you don't know what or how you need to use them, this will help. So yeah, maybe for you it's blah blah blah, but for me not because I have no idea what and how I need to use. But I will learn and maybe I will make too, not only you. So this is yours. Oh my gosh. Let me try to show you guys how it looks. It's so beautiful, I am right?
Yes.
Nice. Awesome. Oh my gosh. It's a lot of things. Wow, I don't know how I need to cut them. Just awesome stuffs. What I see, I have stuffs in my nail stuffs. This is again. This is exactly like my nail stuffs. This part.
And this.
Yeah, and this too. Nice. This is exactly what I have. How is mine? Really. Smaller and bigger. Oh my goodness. It's so cute. Wait, look at this. This is on my face. Sounds good. Will be good for ASMR. For ASMR. But
Yes, for ASMR.
yes. Well, this video is not ASMR. This is unboxing, so I can talk louder. Oh my gosh, it's nice. I like stuffs like this. It's small or bigger. Oh my gosh. Oh, look at this. So I don't know for what or how I need to use till I'm not learning. But I like them. It's so cool. This is nice too. Yeah. Nice. I can because of my nails. Oh, wow. Oh my goodness. It's so cute. Nice. Oh my goodness. This is full with this. Oh, this is different. But it's so cute. Oh my goodness. Nah. Wow. How much I have in this and this. Nice. This is the same. I'm not sure, maybe this is stronger. I don't know. Wow, it's so cute. Oh, this is a cream. Ooh, ooh. Smells not good. You like it? No. What I can out of. Whoa. This is 3 different stuffs, but it's the shape is the same. Like, oh, it's so cute, and it's nice too.
Polish.
Yes, nice. Go back, good. And this is for polish too. Yes. Oh my gosh.
No.
Look how nice will be my nails. It's nicer. It's nice. Wow. And this way doesn't work. But for fun it was good. Wow. Oh, it's nice too. Oh my gosh. Wow. So this is how it looks, and this is how much stuff I have in this. It's awesome. Really. Oh my goodness. I can't wait to try to see how they will work. Awesome! Yoo-hoo! He's laughing. I'm blind now. But not crazy. Okay, anyway, well, really I like stuffs like this. So I'm happy for them. Thanks for watching. If you like my video and my awesome small stuffs, then please give me a thumbs up and subscribe and comment please. See you soon. Bye bye.
Bye bye.